This is iPhone 12 mini. With its amazing size, it fits in the palm of your hand, while still keeping the expansive edge-to-edge Super Retina XDR display. It's smaller and lighter than our 4.7-inch models like iPhone 8, but with a larger 5.4-inch display that lets you see so much more. With its compact size, the iPhone 12 mini has the exact same features as iPhone 12. You're just choosing between two great sizes. In fact, iPhone 12 mini is the smallest, thinnest, and lightest 5G phone in the world. With its large screen and compact size, we think this will be an incredibly popular iPhone. Everything on iPhone 12 and